Quasi-continuous wave, QCW, is a laser operating mode that bridges the gap between pulsed and continuous wave, CW, lasers. By emitting light in relatively long, high-energy bursts, QCW lasers deliver up to 10 times the peak power of a standard continuous beam while significantly reducing the average thermal load on the material being processed. Key characteristics: high peak power. QCW lasers deliver high pulse energy, with pulse durations from microseconds to milliseconds, enabling deep penetration into highly reflective metals such as copper and aluminum. Low thermal impact. Because the laser fires intermittently, the heat-affected zone, HAZ, is much smaller than with true continuous wave lasers, helping prevent warping and thermal damage. The Ascent Equipment QCW Fiber Laser Mold Repair System is a high-precision welding machine specifically designed for repairing, rebuilding, and modifying molds, dies, tooling, and precision components. Unlike handheld laser welders intended for fabrication, the QCW system is engineered for microscopic accuracy, minimal heat distortion, and precise material buildup. The QCW mold repair laser combines high-peak power fiber laser technology with microscope-guided precision welding to restore worn, damaged, or modified molds with exceptional accuracy. Its low heat input minimizes distortion while delivering superior penetration and weld quality, reducing downtime, machining, and polishing. Designed for tool rooms, mold makers, and precision manufacturers, the Ascent QCW system provides a modern, reliable alternative to traditional YAG mold repair lasers, offering lower operating costs and significantly higher productivity. Key features: QCW fiber laser source, 150W or 300W average power, up to 1500W, 3000W peak power, 1080 nanometers fiber laser wavelength, water-cooled laser source for stable operation, precision workstation, XYZ worktable, microscope viewing system, joystick control, fine wire feeding capability for build-up welding, argon gas shielding. A nozzle regulator system continuously blows argon over the weld to protect it from oxidation. This is essential to prevent porosity and ensure a dense, crack-free weld that can be polished to a mirror finish. Integrated chiller, high-performance cooling units tailored to maintain thermal stability for the QCW laser source during long shifts. Optional add-ons: rotary axis chuck. Adds a rotating chuck to the workbench, allowing for precision welding and repair of cylindrical components, shafts, and round inserts. Trinocular CCD camera upgrade, replaces or supplements the standard stereo microscope with a high-definition screen. This significantly reduces operator eye fatigue and is excellent for training and real-time process monitoring. How QCW technology works. QCW technology delivers extremely high peak power pulses while maintaining relatively low average heat input. This allows the operator to melt filler wire and base material precisely where needed without overheating the surrounding mold steel. The result is smaller heat-affected zone, reduced distortion, better dimensional accuracy, less post-machining and polishing, excellent control in deep cavities and tight corners. Laser wobble for programmed patterns. The wobble welding head oscillates the laser beam in selectable geometric patterns, including line, circle, triangle, square, and custom paths. These programmable oscillation patterns distribute laser energy over a controlled area, allowing the operator to optimize weld width, penetration profile, and heat input for specific applications. Benefits of wobble welding: improved gap bridging capability, increased weld width and edge fusion, reduced sensitivity to part fit-up variations, lower risk of burn-through on thin materials, enhanced weld appearance and consistency, Greater process flexibility across different material types and thicknesses. The appropriate wobble pattern, frequency, and amplitude should be selected based on the material, joint design, and desired weld characteristics. Applications. The Ascent QCW mold repair laser is ideal for plastic injection molds, blow molds, die casting molds, stamping dies, tool steel repair, edge rebuilding, corner restoration, surface defect repair, engineering change modifications, precision build-up welding. Advantages over YAG mold repair lasers. The QCW fiber laser is considered the modern replacement for traditional YAG mold welders due to no flash lamp replacement, lower maintenance costs, higher electrical efficiency, more stable output, faster welding speed, higher reliability. Fiber source life of 50,000 to 100,000 hours. Typical materials. The Ascent QCW mold repair laser can weld H13 tool steel, S7 tool steel, P20 mold steel, stainless steel, aluminum molds, copper alloys, titanium, powder metallurgy materials. How the QCW mold repair laser operates. Step 1. Position the mold. The mold is placed on a motorized XYZ worktable and viewed through a microscope or camera system. Step 2. Clean the damaged area. The repair area is cleaned and prepared. Cracks or worn areas may be lightly machined before welding. Step 3. Add filler wire. A fine filler wire, typically 0.2 to 1 mm diameter, is fed into the repair area. Step 4. Laser welding. The QCW laser generates high-energy pulses that simultaneously melt a very small area of the mold and the filler wire. Step 5. Build-up welding. The operator gradually rebuilds worn or damaged surfaces layer by layer with exceptional precision. Step 6. Finish machining. Minimal polishing, grinding, or EDM work is required because the weld bead can be deposited with high accuracy.
AscentEquipment.com